Okay, this is Central Park, so we're just gonna walk around Central Park at nighttime. So let me just kind of show you real quick. I'll do a quick zoom around and you can just kind of see that I'm surrounded by buildings. All right, we're gonna explore it in a minute. Hold tight, hang tight. Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, so here we are in Central Park, Taipa. We're gonna cross this street and just kind of look at these big, massive. We're basically surrounded by buildings, pretty much everywhere. So we're gonna focus on that. And I also want to go show you behind me because this is more apartments. It's kind of bright, but this is IKEA Nova. It's a new shopping mall. So so they got all the stuff in IKEA would be in this place right here. But we're just gonna meander a little bit randomly. We'll try to get a little closer to that, but this is gonna be the focus, is this. And there's also a park. I don't know if you can, I don't know if we can go into the park or not, but over there is the IKEA. And if you can see that window right there, that's the that's kind of like the dining area for IKEA. Okay. So let's just kind of check stuff out. There's basketball over there, but we can't go into there right now. So we'll just kind of stroll around in a circle. So yeah, they got basketball and they have a swimming pool as well. Huh. This glass looks like it's broken, maybe from typhoon, maybe? Oh no, it just taped. Okay. So this is kind of, take a look here. A lot of people are kind of walking in a circle around this, I guess. You can just see. And I guess this is a parking garage. So people can go down here if they park. What's that one? Maybe, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna walk back a little bit. I was gonna walk around the park, but actually it's not that interesting to walk around it. And actually what kind of stopped me was there's a bunch of people that are kind of going the same way that I am. And I don't want to be narrating on a camera with the same group of people constantly listening to me. But I do want to walk around a little bit more and just kind of see. Let me just see. Maybe we'll go into this park for a minute. So this park is closed right now, but we'll at least take a look inside. So that's where the basketball court is at right there. But I think we have to go in over on that other side. So, but there are some people walking around inside as well. And let's just kind of stroll through the Central Park. Let me, just so that you can have something to listen to. Basically the Central Park is, it's a big swimming pool, so it's very popular for the community. And then you have tons and tons of people that live in all these tiny, large apartments everywhere. So when you're in, like, especially if you're in the swimming pool and you're just kind of surrounded by all these tall buildings, it's quite interesting. It's, makes you feel small. I don't know how many stories that is. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, maybe 46, 47 stories maybe. All right, so let's keep on strolling. More tall buildings over in that direction as well. Basically we're kind of surrounded by them. So this is kind of Central Park Nova. And I think we can actually go into the park over here too, but I kind of want to capture it at nighttime. But even more than that, I want to go across because there's a lot of restaurants over to this other side that might be more interesting to view. Then we can still capture this feeling of this area even from there as well. So let's do that. Got to keep the viewer entertained, you know. One of the things we're going to see over here is an Indian restaurant, which is one of the better ones in the city. This way you kind of get to see some of the restaurants and see what's around. So this one is Charming Gourmet Cafe. You got some clams. Neat. Some nice tables in there too. And then you have Ashukar. I guess Ashukar is Japanese, I guess. Looks like it has desserts. So there's a nice place as well. This one is a bar. Mini karaoke bar. I didn't realize the windows you can see in the windows here. That's just a small part of it. Okay. These are apartment buildings. This one is Institute de Beleza. Looks like it's maybe maybe beauty school, maybe. I think this one up here is the Indian restaurant, so we're gonna check that out too. There's all our buildings everywhere. So yeah, I got some nice details here, and the chef right there. Got really good food in here. Let me see. Got this one right here too. So there's a Facebook channel. Let's just kind of walk back a little bit. So yeah, this one is called Indian Garden. So Indian Garden is a really good Indian restaurant. This is kind of across the street. And we're just gonna full moon, almost full moon. Yesterday was a full moon, today is almost full moon as well. I'm just gonna stop there. So there's basically some more restaurants around here. There's we could kind of walk down it, but I think I want to just capture it. It's already at 6.5 minutes, so I just want to capture all these tall buildings everywhere. Let's kind of show you the Central Park and just kind of the feeling that you get from it. Just massive amounts of giant tree, giant massive amount of buildings. And then the full moon is right there. It's a day after the full moon, but it's still almost full. There we go. Pretty cool. So, okay. Then that's the entrance right there. So if we did want to go in, that would be the place. You have to do a little COVID test with your phone. So I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. I don't think I will. There's not really much reason to go in there tonight. Okay, so I guess we'll end it right there. This is the name of it. So you can see it in Chinese and in English. Open from 6 to midnight. Let's just end with all the buildings somewhere. Right there.